this song by The Blossom called Hardcore Happy. It's got pretty common beginner-friendly chord progression: G, D, A minor, C. You wanted to? You could sing Knocking on Heaven's Door right over this. But it's not. The thing that makes it a little difficult is it doesn't sound good if you play it. If you play it like cowboy music, it doesn't sound good. So what I was doing at the beginning was I was playing with my hand right on the strings, and I was muting them. And I'm just playing some arpeggios. That means I'm just playing individual notes out of the chords. G. All right, and that's just put your hand right on the strings until it sounds good, but not open. So that's one option. Another option would be to go mute and go play the bass note. Want them all to love me as just sit down a bender. I thought some. So yeah, we're letting the bass note ring out, and then we're playing a stab and mute on the chord. So G, D, A minor, C. So you can mess around with that. That'd be another option. If you're going to play open chords, it's much easier to mute if you're playing bar chords. Much easier to mute with bar chords, but not everybody can play bar chords. So. There I'm playing full chords, but I'm muting them with my strum hand. So it's a good song to work on your muting. Have fun playing that. Thanks. Bye.